sad song and make it like crying and make it still talking, but make it say I miss my friend so much. I just don't wanna leave them, and now I leave them, but I don't have their phone numbers, I don't have the data, I don't have anything to be friends with, but I do have my brother, and my sister, and my cousin, and now I don't know what to do now. I just play with my cousin on the bikes, and now I never leave them. Put it like that song, but make it like more in there. 'Cause